Here are window screens I bought for my little guy over here so that he can have the windows open while I'm out and about, but not get out and still get the breeze coming in. So let's check them out. Ooh, this one actually comes in a bag. Ooh, this is slick material. Very slick material. Wow. And there should be, yep, there's 2 in here. I bought 2 packages, which means 4 altogether. Now this is quality material. Check this out. Even the stretchiness on it, that is beautiful material. All right, let's see what it looks like in our windows. Apparently you just open the door. Real slick fabric. Ooh, easy on. Maneuver it in place. All right, you definitely got to maneuver this one to get it to fit on right. And it's not as long as I hoped. Not as much airflow. There could be probably some more airflow in there. I would still be concerned about my dog getting out, probably because it's not as long as it should be, even though I measured it. Great fabric. So it's double-sided, so there's a side in there, a side out here, which is great. Let's get this one off. Hi, Maxie. Woo. Very slick, very easy removal. There is a pointy side and a rounded side. It's supposed to actually fit your window. The only confusing thing is, even though it's fit more for the front window than the back, the directions on here say, don't use shades for front windows. I think what they mean is probably not while you're driving. Let's try the pointy end and the rounded end on this window. Because obviously this is pointy and this is rounded here. So hold it from that side that you're going to be putting it on and put it on. Line it up, the pointy side, the rounded side. It just looks down nicely. That fits really nicely in the driver's side. So all in all, I love these window screens by Amazon. Super sleek material. Very durable. The only flaw in it, again, is this one doesn't roll down all the way. But other than that, I love them. The best thing of these window shades from Amazon is, check this out. Pop. These really sleek, very high quality materials. Pop right in the bag, the 2 of them. And look at how easy the removal is. High quality materials, boop, right in the bag. Now you don't lose them. You can see the breeze flapping through. Nice window shades.